Banghead here for instant stress relief.
Why is Ninja awake? Why is Ninja mewing on? Ah! 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 Please no! Please! What? What? What is no anomaly in this area? Wait!
It's true. Is
No.
Filian dream? Some would say yes.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
You didn't. You absolutely didn't do that.
Why is that my fault? I would have made out with a woman for 30 minutes and there was no issue. Why did Ninja kill me? You can't be serious. You can't be serious. Yeah, Teresa Noblet, frick you. Frick you. I'm effing done.
You will never
I'm effing
wake
done.
up.
No,
Never
no, no,
escape,
no, no,
never.
no, 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 no. It's gotta be a troll. No, it's gotta be a
Ninja
troll.
will remember this. Said she got it wrong
Okay.
and she did.
Well,
Can I get our 500 fruit snacks? We all said go back.
Dude, there's no way. There's no
You were
way.
supposed to run.
There's
You
no
were a
way.
gamer at Bozo.
Please, 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 please! Ah! Ah! I'm so done with this garbage can video game, dude.
She died in the tutorial.
Dude!
Point and laugh.